Okay, we're back for another airdrop related content. So I'm going to share to you some of the latest updates that is going on lately regarding these airdrops. So before we get things started, make sure that you smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And guys, just let you all know that we're not promoting any financial or investment advice. So please kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational, entertainment, and informative purposes, just to be fair and transparent to all. As you can see right here, guys, another airdrop for those who have pre-ordered the Solana Mobile. But the latest one is Maniki, and I quote, "Mission completed. All Solana Mobile Saga Genesis and Chapter 2 pre-order token holders, check your wallets. We've sent over 9%, which is approximately 20 million USD of Maniki token out. Airdrop was distributed in the slowest mode over 72 hours to let the market absorb any sales." So yeah, congrats to those who have pre-ordered the Solana Mobile Chapter 2. And hopefully there will be more surprise airdrops for those who have pre-ordered the Solana Mobile Chapter 2. And of course, guys, you could see right here, if you have taken part of the Avail project, so we could verify and claim our Avail rewards. So you could check your eligibility and claim here, in which they have a unification drop, in which it was explained here, guys. Okay, this is how you're going to claim. And of course, we could check our rewards. You could see right here, guys, that my Ethereum wallet is eligible for 333 Avail. So in order for me to migrate it, so I need to connect to Avail, in which I need to install any of these wallets in my browser. But as what I have researched, I think I will be going for sub wallet later on. And of course, here are the other ones for the eligibility, like GitHub, Starknet, and your Twitter or X. Okay, and remember about Civic, guys. Last 2021, they've conducted a big airdrop to their participants and supporters, in which you could see the rewards that you are expecting based on the number of referrals that you have. They are having another airdrop again in the form of Civic ID, in which I'm going to show it to you right now. We could now enter our email to join the wait list. Okay, so either you have participated or have missed the previous Civic airdrop. So this is your chance once again to take part of this brand new airdrop from Civic, courtesy of the Civic ID itself. And this is how it looks like, guys. All right. And another airdrop that I wanted to share is no other than Skate Park, guys. So this is a brand new chain, by the way, guys, in which now you can have the opportunity to mint the limited edition Skate Rebel NFT for free. So if you want to take part of this, well, all you have to do is to connect your wallet, guys, and of course your X or Twitter account, and then you just have to follow the instructions right here. Okay, so since I've already minted, the next step that I'm going to do is to refer friends. All right, so we could earn 10% of all these from direct referrals and 5% from indirect referrals. So if you would like to take part of this, especially minting the limited edition Skate Rebel NFT, so I would really appreciate if you're going to use the referral code that is found right here on the screen or in my video description. And of course, guys, I'm just a little bit of a news, regarding Ronin. Of course, they have onboarded another Web3 game known as Puffverse. So it's a first-party game with play-to-earn mechanics on the Ronin. All right, so think of it like playing Fall Guys under the Ronin chain. And of course, there is no doubt, guys, that they would be having a play-to-airdrop campaign soon. All right, and I even commented like, sign me up. You could read the full announcement right here of the Puffverse. And not just Puffverse, guys. Here's another Web3 game that is going to integrate into Ronin, and that is no other than the Tribesters. Okay, so they have a world premiere alert. So you could see their first official pre-alpha trailer for Tribesters, Keeper of Secrets. All right, there is a possibility that Tribesters could be having a potential play-to-airdrop campaign at a future date. So yeah, let's look forward to this one and to keep ourselves updated in their latest developments. And of course, another airdrop update that I wanted to share is no other than the Renzo protocol, guys. So basically, when it comes to Renzo protocol, we can just restake ETH and liquid stake tokens in their platform. They have updated the claim timeline, tokenomics, and the airdrop eligibility. So the snapshot will be on April 26th and the claiming date is April 30th. All right. Now, you could see about the tokenomics update. For the total airdrop allocation, they have increased it from 10 to 12%. So season 1 has increased from 5 to 7%, and for the season 2, it will remain at 5%. So as of this time in recording this video, we are now in the season 2 of the Renzo Protocol airdrop, alright? And take note of this, for the airdrop eligibility, minimum qualification is 360 easy points per wallet. Majority of all eligible wallets greater than 99% are fully unlocked at token generation event. A higher threshold is being applied for the largest wallets. Wallets with more than 500,000 easy points will unlock 50% at token generation event, with the remainder now vesting linearly over 3 months. So guys, 360 points is the minimum threshold for you to become airdrop eligible. But unfortunately guys, on season 1, I only gained 52 points. So that means to say I am not eligible for the season 1 airdrop of Renzo. But of course, there's a positive here in which I have gained 25 Eigenlayer points. So that is the only positive that I see. And for the update, regarding the season 1 of the Venom quest, so you could see some of the tasks right here. And of course, the XPs based on the activity that you have. And of course, if I'm going to scroll down, so I've already minted the Dragonlance Mint Pass, in which I have gained 2000 XP. In which, by the way, guys, the Dragonlance is an upcoming Web3 game under the Venom chain. And this is the one for the Dragonlance, alright? So it's a utility first play to earn game on the Venom chain, alright? So if you want to claim your NFT, so you can just follow these instructions, follow them on X or Twitter, and join their Telegram, and then just click next, alright? So I've already minted my Dragon's Land NFT pass, alright? And of course, you could see its utility, and take note of this, eligible for airdrops. And still under the Venom chain, so we have the Venom 8 Yacht Club. So this is their latest update. Let's dive into our project planning. So the Vake collection was already sold out. So congratulations to those who have minted. And then the next phase is that we're going to mint the V-Rock NFT collection, and finally mint the Mutant Vake NFT collection. Alright, so the Rock will serve as a primary token for staking yield in the Rock's meme token in return. And of course, you could see the other details here. Now, if we go right here on the Venom art, so this is my profile, and you can see that I have already minted some various NFTs here on Vake. So I have minted a total of 12 already. Because guys, I am holding a Venom Mart pass, so I was eligible for a whitelist spot of minting at least 2 Venom 8 Yacht Club NFTs, and then on top of that, I have also participated in the public minting, in which I have minted additional 10 of them at 2 Venom each. So that means to say that I have a total of 12 fake NFTs right here in my profile in the Venom art. And one last thing guys, it's from Linea. So I'm going to read this one, and I quote, GM Lenience, the surge starts soon and we just improved the referral system. If you have already generated a referral link, you'll want to make a new one. There were some bad actors in our first referral tree, so we scrapped the list and are starting fresh. So you can see all the details here below. So remember about the Linea Park video that I have for you last time, in which I have mentioned about the Linea surge. So the surge has officially begun, and of course this is the one. So as of this time guys, my address is active and eligible to collect LXPL since Thursday, April 25th. Alright, so we can verify the LXPL collected within the search program by looking in the Open Block Search dashboard. You have your own referral code that you can share with your friends to increase the number of LXPL you can collect. If you want to start farming in the Linea Surge, so I would really appreciate if you're going to use the referral code that is displayed right here on the screen or in my video description. From the day that your wallet is active in the Linea Surge, so you can start interacting in various protocols under Linea. Like you want to swap, you want to provide liquidity, supply and borrow, and so on. So it's like a more on DeFi related activities that are supporting the Linea network that you can interact and gain some LXPLs. So that's it for now guys regarding the latest airdrop updates that I have for you today. So if you want more information about this, I have provided all the resource links right here in the video description. So I would really appreciate some honest feedback from you guys regarding the video that I have for you today. And if you have some questions that were not covered right here in this video of mine, I would try my best to answer them for you, or you can just simply head over to the official socials of these airdrops that I have featured right here in this video and get in touch with the real admins and mods to potentially answer your queries. And guys, one more thing, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly Really do not hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic regarding airdrops, DeFi, NFTs, and so much more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury and I'll see you all on my next video.